Hey, what's going on, guys? That guy Tom here, back again with another Minecraft video, and in today's video, we have started on the survival series again. So, first I got a new skin to match my profile picture, and, second, in today's episode, the goals that I have is mainly just build a small starter house. I want it to be big enough that it will be easy to take down, though it won't be so small that I can't fit 2 chests. So I'm going to AFK for a bit more, probably watch some TV while I wait for it to become daytime. So yeah. So after a small bit of AFKing, it's day, so I'm going to probably just adventure and explore in this area, and I'll tell you if I find anything cool. So as I was adventuring, I literally just found a village. So I mean, it doesn't look like the biggest village, though it does look like it can be of use. Because, I mean, it has some nice, useful stuff, like iron golems, a library, and this area where you can, smelt some stuff. So, yeah. This is cool. So, after doing some quick, off-camera work, I have this guy who really does not want to become a librarian, and also I've stolen some stuff from this guy's house, and now I have an iron chest plate and an iron sword and pickaxe. So I'm gonna do some more off-camera work, like messing with the villagers and maybe getting the design of my house, and then I'll probably start again and have more clips. Guys, so there's this little animal pen, and I found a naturally spawned pink sheep. This is insane. That's extremely rare and kinda cool. Hi. I'm going to go back to collecting my hay bales. Okay, so now that I've done work with villagers, and I have a few, now I am going to go deforest this area because it has a lot of spruce, and I want my build for my house, which I'm probably going to make over there. I want it to be mainly spruce, wood, so yeah, I'm going to go collect that, and then I'm probably going to build my house, so yeah. So now I have the basic, simple framework of everything, so now I'm just going to start filling everything in. I'm not watching a tutorial or anything, though this is sort of based off of Grian's starter houses. If you've ever seen Grian, he's this guy who's really good at building, and he makes these really cool spruce starter houses, so I'm basing mine sort of off his, spruce starter houses. And just a quick little building update, this is what I'm at so far. I have, the, layers out and 2 of the walls, and a quick little building tip. What I like to do usually when there's a middle window like this, instead of using glass panes, I instead like to have this, because one, say it's night and you're AFKing, and you want to quickly kill some mobs, you can do that here, and also it just looks kind of cool, and it makes everything seem better, so yeah, this is just a quick little building tip. So, as I was collecting spruce wood, I just found this 6th vein of iron, so yeah, that's cool. Exposed iron, always nice. Building with Dom. So, if you use slabs instead of full blocks for your floor, you actually save blocks. Probably didn't know that one. Building with Dom. So, just a quick little progress report. I I have made this much of the house, and as of right now, I'm working on making the house switch to this side. So yeah, when I have the roof fully done, I'll make another progress report. So, I found something really cool that you're able to do in my village. You're able to roof jump. Well, after a bit, this is going to be the very last clip of the episode. We are ending it here. This is my house. It's kind of cool. I like it. Yeah, and if you come in here, I have, like, my crafting table and 2 furnaces. And I also have my bed and chest area, so this is going to be the end of the episode. So goodbye, everybody, and I'll see you. I'm not really sure when I'll see you.